Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting your paper to the size you want. Use a ruler for straight edges. Next, apply a thin strip of repositionable glue along one short edge. Press the glue stick down and draw once or twice. You want coverage but not saturation. Once done, let the adhesive sit for about 10-20 seconds so tack develops. Make sure to work on scrap backing paper so glue doesn't stick to your table, and prepare a stack to assemble. Now align the glued edge of each sheet carefully. Accuracy saves you trimming later. Place the aligned stack on a clean flat board, then clamp the glued edge with binder clips or slide it under a heavy book to create even pressure. Once clamped, flip the stack and press the glued strip together by running a roller or your palm firmly along the top edge. This spreads adhesive and prevents peeling. Let the pad sit under weight for 30-60 minutes to cure. After curing, peel the top sheet to test removability. It should lift and re-stick without tearing. If it's too sticky, leave the pad exposed to air for up to 24 hours or lightly rub the edge with your finger to reduce tack. If it doesn't hold, reapply a thinner glue strip and repeat the pressing step. Make sure glue is repositionable type. One key troubleshooting tip: avoid liquid glues that saturate paper. Use only repositionable stick or spray to prevent permanent bonding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.